Good morning, students. So in social studies, the chapter which is going on is climate of India. We had done its explanation, key terms and very short answer type questions. So today we will do short answer type questions of this chapter. So let's start. So question first is, what do you know about the summer season? Answer is, the hot weather season is called summer season. It is experienced in the month of April, May and June. The general weather remains hot and dry during this season. So students, when the weather is hot, it is called summer season. It starts in month of April and goes up to June. At this time, the sun is overhead and it is a period of increasing temperature. Question second is, which parts of India do remain dry throughout the year? The whole of the Thar desert region, which covers most of the Rajasthan, North Gujarat and the Kutch region of western Gujarat, remain dry throughout the year because these regions get very little rainfall when monsoon winds come in our India. Question third, how do the monsoon winds affect our climate? So first you should know what are monsoon winds. Hope you all know monsoon winds are the winds which blow from sea to land and bring dark clouds, thus give heavy rainfall in our India. So how they affect the climate of our India? The climate of India is largely affected by the monsoon winds. When the monsoon winds come over India, they cause rainfall, which lowers the temperature of the places receiving rainfall. So question fourth is, describe the factors affecting the climate of a place. So answer is, the climate of a place is affected by the following factors. First is location. So how location affect the climate of a place? The places which located near the equator have very hot climate. The places which are located far from the equator have very cold climate, and the places which are neither so close or nor so far have temperate climate. Temperate means neither so hot nor so cold. Thus location affect the climate of a place. Second one is altitude. Altitude means height above the sea level. So altitude also affect the climate of a place. The places which have higher altitude have lower temperature, and the places which have lower altitude have high temperature, means hot climate. One is distance from the sea. Distance from the sea also affect the climate of a place. The places located near the sea have moderate climate, means neither too cold or not too hot. This is because the sea breeze, the air which blow from sea to land, balance the climate of that place. So the places located near the sea have moderate climate. Thus distance from the sea affect the climate of a place. D is relief. So how relief affect the climate of a place? Relief means a structure of land, means type of land a place have. So it also affect the climate of a place. For example, mountains receive more rainfall than low-lying areas because air is forced over the higher ground. It cools, causing moist air to condense and fall out as rainfall. Question fifth is, differentiate between the following. First one is rainy and autumn season. So what's the difference between rainy and autumn season? So first difference is, rainy season starts in June and autumn season starts in October. Rainy season continues up to September and autumn season continues up to November. We are talking about our India. So in our India, rainy season starts in June and continues up to September, and autumn season starts in October and continues up to November. Third one is, monsoon winds blow from sea to land during rainy season, and during autumn season monsoon winds move back from the mainland of India. So that's why autumn season is also called season of retreating monsoon. Retreating means moving back. So retreating monsoon season is called autumn season, and during rainy season monsoon winds come from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal to the mainland of India. So in mid of June these winds touches our India and cause heavy rainfall. B, summer season and winter season. You have to differentiate summer season and winter season. So first one is Summer season is hot weather season, winter season is cold weather season. Means the weather during the summer season is hot and weather during the winter season is cold. Second one is summer season starts in March, winter season starts in December. Third one is nights are shorter than days during summer season, and during winter season nights are longer than days. So that's all for the day. I am sending the picture of these question answers below the video. Note down these question answers into your SST notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.